Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is inside my greenhouse on the right hand side as you go in. Today we're going to be sowing tomato Roma VF, so January to April, obviously June to October. So as it says here, a Mediterranean heirloom variety. It has few seeds, making it perfect for tomatoes. For sauces, can be grown in the greenhouse or outdoors. And it's 45 centimetres, 18 inches. So here we go. So indoor sowing, sow January to March for greenhouse crops, March to April for outdoor crops. Sow thinly in pots of seed compost. Cover lightly with compost. Keep moist. Keep at approximately 15 to 20 Celsius. That's 60 to 68 Fahrenheit. Seedlings will appear within 7 to 14 days. Right, so let's get this set up. 2 seconds. Right. Alright, here we go. Let's get these open. See what's inside, shall we? Yeah, it's really nice on the allotment today. Beautiful weather. There we go. I don't know if you can see them. Focusing. That's it. So yeah, I've done that. So all you need to do is in like so. A fine sprinkling of compost on the top. I'll just do another one. All I need to do is fill your pots up. Like so. Give it a tap down. Excuse me, I'm running out of compost here. Yeah, give it a tap down. Then just gently sprinkle your seeds on top. Like so. And then give them a little covering. This is a peat-based compost. It's from Wilco's. Unfortunately, they've stopped selling this now, so but it's got a little bit of feed in it as well. So once you've done that, all you need to do, give them a water and wait for the little seedlings to appear. So that's how to sow Wilco tomato. It's an heirloom variety. If you've got any questions about how to sow tomatoes, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and remember folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day folks, bye.